Got a REN file from your Japanese language study sessions and wondering how to use it? This format stores progress in a popular Japanese learning platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Renshuu study files. For those complex REN formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later, after we attempt the common methods. A user encountering a .ren file is likely managing their study materials for the Renshuu Japanese language learning platform. This file contains custom vocabulary lists, study schedules, or progress data created either by the user or downloaded from the community for personalized learning sessions and offline access. The .ren file is a proprietary data container, likely structured as a binary or SQLite database to efficiently store and retrieve study information. This design allows the Renshuu application to quickly load user-specific content, manage progress tracking, and ensure data integrity across different study modules and devices. Renshuu.org defined Renshuu as the application primarily intended for REN. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows shows only a simplified view, so deeper interpretation must be done with suitable software. The easiest way to identify the error source is testing. Right-click the REN file and hit Open with. Use Renshuu if installed. If it's not present, choose another program. We must find the correct software handler. When your REN file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Since the REN file didn't open, we need to address these three most common errors. Use the simple list as a guide to check and confirm the problem source. First, importing to Renshuu. Sign into your Renshuu account at renshuu.org and use the import feature to load REN files. The platform synchronizes the imported study data with your account, enabling continued learning across web and mobile applications, with progress preserved across sessions and devices. Next, backing up progress. Export REN files regularly from Renshuu through your account settings as backup of study progress. Save backups to cloud storage or local drives, protecting against account issues or migration to new accounts. Regular backups preserve months or years of language learning investment safely. Finally, sharing study lists. Share custom vocabulary or kanji study lists with classmates or study partners by exporting REN files containing those specific lists. Recipients import the shared REN files into their Renshuu accounts, gaining access to your curated study materials for collaborative language learning experiences. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.